G'day and welcome back to the channel. On this episode we are here at the Towtruck Meet and Leaks car meet annual meetup. So last year, as you guys saw, we did a drive down south. We met up with a couple of mates, we went for a drive and a couple of beers and then headed home. But this year, because of a couple of health complications with my newborn daughter, we decided let's just meet up here. And guys, the turnaround here is pretty good. We got half a dozen minis, we got a couple other cars, we even got Santa on the back of this little trailer just here. That's really cool. So let's head around, let's check out some of the cars and see what there is, and hopefully these flies bugger off. So on our little display table here, courtesy of Minisport, they've sent us a heap of stickers as well as mine that I've got, and my good mate Kyle has printed up some key rings for us as well. So anyone in the comment section want one of those, let me know and I can send them out to you. But it's really good to see a nice little turnout of a couple of new friends, but long-time followers as well. And for those of you who have seen Iggs before, she's featured on the channel several times, and we have some more stuff coming up in the new year with her. And once again, Kyle is behind the camera. We got a new follower here as well. He has been following me for a little while now, but he's owned this little Rover for just over a year. It's got air conditioning and it somewhat sounds familiar to something that's potentially coming up on the channel without giving too much away. Got a nice little Clubman over here, which he's done some pretty decent mods to, and even running a Rover brake setup as well, which is just giving that a little bit more stopping power and ability. Painted the car himself in his garage at home, and the old trusty P-plate is hiding one of the musical air horns underneath, which is a very smart idea. Save the old Popo getting in trouble. This gentleman over here runs the old school Euro car meet that you guys have seen on the channel before. This is a nice little Corolla. Nice paint job, nice colour scheme. The purple I think really just sets it off. He's actually won some competitions with this, with the interior, which is really cool. I think the grey really just offsets the colour. The orange is just beautiful, and there's just enough of it I think to offset it so it's not too stand out and in your face. Little Datsun behind us, cute little thing. It's cool. Got some pretty big camber going at the front, which is mad. The colour's actually quite interesting. Not sure if it's original or not. I'm going to have to ask him. And then behind us we got a Porsche. I believe it's a 911. I think. I'm going to have to double check that. But what a car. This was back in the era when they had the big whale tails at the back. I thought these are some of the best of the Porsches that they ever made, just because of the designs and just even the rear wheel arches at the back, how much they flare out compared to the front and how offset it is with the track. And then up here with Santa, got the little trailer, got a little van. I've seen this little one a couple of times in my workshop actually. It's a little automatic thing. Love this about the vans, the little pop top, just a little bit of air to be able to escape there when you cruise along and you're getting quite hot. So these guys actually live quite local, and as I said, they've visited me a couple of times now in Penrith City Tyres and Motive, just behind us there, and they've helped support me and use their car as one of the wheel alignment cars that we use quite often at work to set up vehicles and show what we're actually capable of doing. So make sure if you're ever in need of a wheel alignment and you've got 10-inch wheels, we do it at our shop. So what have we got here, mate? What is this little orange beast?
It's a 1974 Toyota Corolla KU20.
Okay, and how long have you had the car for?
I bought it in 2001, started the build, took 10 years to build, so it's been on the road since 2011. Yeah.
And the colour scheme, was that the original or you decided to go with something a bit different?
Yeah, something different, mate. It was green originally, yeah, so orange is my favourite colour, and so I was always going to go orange. And then I just wanted to do something different with the interior. It was just get people talking, you know. So orange and purple goes well together, I believe. But that's my opinion. A lot of people don't seem to agree, but...
Yep, and it's all custom interior, like you've changed everything to suit the way that you want it?
Yep, yeah, it's got laser Tex-free seats. My brother handmade the dash. It's got false floors, so all the wiring in that runs under the flat floors. Yeah, old school hot rod gauges, heaps of hot rod billet accessories in it, yeah.
And what about the engine? What are you running there?
It's Toyota 4AGE, genuine A86 rear-wheel drive motor. Yeah, it's all standards, just got Can-N filter and extractors. Yeah, standard computer, just a cruiser. Yeah, 5-speed gearbox. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. And how long have you been hosting your car meet for as well?
We started in 2019, and then obviously COVID affected us, so we had a couple of years off, and then now we're back into it. Yeah.
And how often does that run? Like, is it regular, or is it just kind of spur of the moment thing?
Usually every probably second month or every third month. Yeah, it's not a regular thing, but yeah, we try to do it no more than 3 months apart. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I do enjoy the car meets you host. So thanks for inviting us along and being part of the community, I guess.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Just got to keep the old school cars alive, eh? Keep them on the road, and it's good to get everyone to hang out for a couple of hours in a Sunday morning. Yeah, enjoy the cars. No one be silly. So it's good. Have a coffee. That's it. Yeah.
And just enjoy the cars and the company.
That's right, mate. Yeah. So yeah, any car made before the year 2000 is welcome, but obviously a few later models sneak in, but can't stop them. Yeah. So yeah,
that's cool. That's really good. Well, folks, that is the end of Tomo's Tune-Ups for 2023 with the Tow Truck Meet and Leaks car meet. We had a pretty good turnout today. Pretty much everyone's gone. There's a couple of stragglers here, and we're just about to head on home. The time is just after 10 a.m, and it is blistering hot. So time to get home, put up some Christmas lights, and enjoy the rest of the holiday. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.